Hello everyone. This one is my latest project. This is Modular Spaceship 10, as you can see in front of your screen. So as you can see, this is the back side, and like the others, as it's a modular pack, I always come up with the 5 variations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whoever following my spaceship project, they know this kind of thing has some sort of modular functionalities like the body part, the head part, and the engine part all are separatable, and they can be stacked like this one is a stack, and come up with the new version. As you can see, I stack in the back the engine part like this one stack, and just stack this one. So you will see it in also in the Unity and Unreal also. So yeah, it's just a basic kind of low poly design. I mean, yeah, a lot in the space there will be some sort of this kind of ships. Actually, they doesn't have any uh, doesn't have any kind of weapon with them, but I'm just making them like a cargo ship. So whatever you are seeing, it's like a mothership or cargo ship, that sort of things that doesn't have a weapon. But I will make in the future, I will make I will add some sort of weapon system in the collection. So some sort of fighter ships, and also the mother spaceship, that sort of things. Yeah, and you can see that these joints are not connected. You see, these joints are not connected, so it's like some sort of magnetic field. The idea is like some sort of magnetic field is connected with them. So it's like my idea actually. So you like when it comes to a spaceship, you have the full freedom to established your ideas and established your thoughts, so it's like not have to be always connected. So you see, so this is non-separable part, but it's not fully connected. You can see the body parts, but interesting fact is when you see from the from far away, you barely notice that these parts are not connected. So this is the actually twist of this modular pack actually. Yeah, some sort of things. And finally, I always say that I come up with the 5 variation, but it's not confined with the 5 variation. You can always have the options to even modify this one. So yeah, so I'm happy to announce this is the number 10, guys. So I will come again with 11, 12, and my intention is to complete the collection with a kind of like a mega collection actually. So this can be used in RTS game. This can be used in the first person or third person game, or whatever. Yeah, it's like my intention is to make that. Yeah. So, this is by the way, this one is the texture set. So as you can see, the body part, the engine part, this is engine part, and also some sort of the head part. Where is the head part? Yeah, this is the head part. Okay. So yeah, like I said, this one is a modular. So yeah, this is you can have as a modular asset. Okay. So thank you. I will start the second part from the Unity and then Unreal. The flow is that. So keep with me and keep sharing the thing and yeah, I will starting the Unity part in a bit. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, this is the Unity version of the Spaceship 10. As you can see here, it's from HDRP pipeline, as you can see in front of your screen. So this is the Spaceship number 10, and it's like I just use a the same galaxy image to show the spaceship, the final look in the Unity. So as you can see, for this one, you always have to you will get the the FBX file. You will get the textures. Always the textures are 4K, and you will get the materials, the correspondent materials. All the materials are there and working correctly. So if I maximize the view, you can see very clearly that this is the sample, and you can see it from the back side. The back side is like this, so it's like the engine thruster, and also kind of like a big mega engine, and these are the side engines. And also this part you can you can add. So like this, it's like this. You can have a extra one, you can have extra one, you can add this if you need, you can add this. And this is the part. So every part is separatable, like this one. You can see this one, okay, like that. So like I said, every part is actually separatable part. You can use and reuse it. And this is the head part. Also the head part is separatable. Okay, you can do whatever you're gonna do. You can always come up with your new ideas. There is a little bit of options to change this spaceship. So in the far away in the space, the spaceship is looking quite okay, not so bad, I think. I mean you can use the mega spaceship as kind of like very big cargo ship. They're quite a low poly, so it's like nothing. You have you can use them in, like I said, you can use them in a RTS game. You can use them in a kind of like a first person and a third person game, no problem. They are actually okay with all sorts of platform, even in a VR game also, no problem. So it's like this is the back side. So you can see. Yeah, so I think the this one is fully ready for, you can have them in a kind of like a Unity asset pack. So you can, if you need this one, you can contact with me or go to the OpuArt asset store to purchase the whole package. So it's not like number 1 to number 10 is already there, and I'm making. So like number 1 and number 10 is up to number 1 and number 10, they are kind of like a cargo ship. They are kind of like material transport vehicle kind of things, planet to planet. But I'm planning to do some sort of a spaceship with guns, fighters, that sort of things. They are gonna they will arrive in a kind of like a spaceship 11, 12, 13, 14, blah 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 blah. That's the number, that's the sequence. So I think you get the idea. And this is from the Unity guys. I will back finally from the with the Unreal part. So Unreal users also get this pack. So don't worry, you have this pack. Okay. Thank you very much. Keep watching and keep sharing my work. Okay. Thank you. Hello everyone. This one is the third part of the Spaceship 10, Modular Spaceship 10, as you are seeing from the Unreal 5.3. So as you can see, this one in a different environment. The default environment. You get the idea of the space environment. So yeah, even in the Unreal can be done with the with the HDR Sky. So like I said that you can find the same spaceship for the Unreal use. So this is the spaceship number 5, number 4, number 3, 2, 1, and you have the same thing that you have in the Unreal as in the Unity as well. Like this is the actual FBX. This one is the textures. This one is the textures for ready and working properly, and also this one is the finally. This one is the material. Okay. So if I maximize the view, as you can see here, if I maximize the view, then the view is bit clear. I mean you can see it from this angle. The ship looking nice. Nice means it's okay. It's actually okay for me. So yeah, you can like in the also in the Unreal, you can use it as several Unreal projects like spaceship kind of projects like a sci-fi projects, or any kind of the sci-fi game and that sort of things. You can use them. Okay. And you can have the functionality. Always you have the functionality to add several parts and come up with your new version, new variations, no problem. See. So this one guys, actually I'm very happy to announce that this one is ready for importing in your projects. You can collect them through you can DM me, or you can go to my asset store, which is Upward. You go to the asset store. I am available in CG Trader. I'm available in Render Hub. I'm available in Turbo Squid. You can go and you can purchase, and if you need, then you can also DM me for any kind of questions regarding this project. And guys, so with this number 10 spaceship is ready, and they are actually I made so far the cargo type of a spaceship. Now the upcoming spaceships will be some sort of very fighter oriented, kind of like sci-fi fighter plane, that sort of things. So I am I'm being very motivated with some sort of movies like Star Wars and Fifth Element, that sort of things. So yeah, that is a reflection of my work actually. So yeah, so please stay with me and keep sharing keep sharing my work with your friends and with your close companion, or closest one. Okay. Thank you very much. I will come again with the new project. Please stay with my page and with me. Thank you very much.